Day 5 of the Toyah Cordingley trial, and investigators have told the Queensland court that mobile phone data from her phone traced an unexplained journey away from the beach where her body was later discovered buried beneath sand. Cordingley vanished after walking her dog along Wangedi Beach, north of Cairns, on October 21st, 2018. Her body was found the following morning, sparking a years-long homicide investigation that has now led to the trial of Rajwinder Singh, 41, a former nurse from Innisfail who has pleaded not guilty to murder. The Supreme Court in Cairns heard that the Telstra network data was used to reconstruct the movements of Cordingley's phone in the hours before her death. Security data analysis, Mark Borg, testified that her device first connected to a Wangedi cell tower around 2 p.m, consistent with her being in the area at the time. Roughly 2 hours later, however, it appeared to ping towers progressively closer to Cairns between 4:51 p.m. and 5:17 p.m, and after that all activity stopped. There was no further connections, Borg told the jury, suggesting the phone was switched off or destroyed shortly afterwards. Prosecutors allege Singh took Cordingley's phone and personal items after killing her, and that his route home passed several bodies of water where he might have disposed of evidence. Investigators later matched timing and location data to the footage of a blue Alfa Romeo travelling near Lake Placid around the same time Cordingley's phone connected to the final tower. Singh owned a vehicle matching that description, police said. Detective Adam Riley, who led the homicide investigation, testified that police reviewed more than 200 cars before narrowing their focus to 70. We only plotted the Alfa Romeo because that was the only one that matched the data, he said. Singh's lawyers have maintained the case relies heavily on circumstantial inferences drawn from mobile data. The defence highlighted that multiple other phones belonging to men known to frequent the Wangedi area also registered connections to towers nearby on the same afternoon. Police acknowledged reviewing records for those individuals but did not map every device, including Cordingley's boyfriend, Marco Heidenreich, who was hiking near Port Douglas at the time. Experts explain that investigators used a technique called timing advance, which measures how long signals take to travel between a cell tower and a handset, providing an approximate distance from each tower in 78-metre increments. Combined with antenna direction data, it allowed police to build a partial picture of the phone's movements that evening. The court was also shown detailed maps showing the location of each cell tower connection, as well as stills from nearby traffic cameras. Now, Rajwinder Singh, who appeared emotional at times during proceedings, according to the ABC News report, continues to deny